When it comes to enhancing the beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency of your home in Sanford, custom windows offer a wide range of benefits that can make a significant impact. From improving curb appeal to increasing the overall value of your property, custom windows are an investment that can deliver both aesthetic and practical advantages. Here are some of the top benefits of installing custom windows in Sanford homes. Tailored to your home's aesthetic. One of the biggest advantages of custom windows is the ability to design windows that perfectly complement the style and architecture of your home. Whether you live in a classic cottage-style home, a modern townhouse, or a sprawling estate, custom windows can be crafted to match your home's aesthetic. You have full control over the materials, colors, shapes, and sizes of your windows, ensuring that they enhance the curb appeal and create a seamless, cohesive look for your home. Custom windows allow you to choose from a variety of frame materials such as wood, fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum, each offering unique benefits in terms of durability and appearance. You can select the perfect finish or texture to match the color palette of your home's exterior, helping to elevate its overall design. This attention to detail not only improves the look of your home but also ensures that your windows will be a perfect fit for years to come. Increased energy efficiency. Sanford, Florida, experiences a range of weather conditions, from warm, sunny days to occasional cool spells. Custom windows can play a crucial role in regulating your home's temperature and reducing energy costs. With the ability to choose energy-efficient glazing options and insulation features, you can significantly improve your home's insulation, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. High-quality custom windows with low emissivity, glass coatings and advanced weather stripping help to minimize heat transfer, ensuring your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Over time, the energy savings can offset the initial investment in custom windows, making them a wise choice for homeowners in Sanford looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Enhanced natural light and ventilation. Custom windows provide an opportunity to maximize natural light and ventilation in your home. Depending on the layout and design of your home, you can opt for larger windows or unique shapes that allow more sunlight to stream in, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. More natural light can improve your mood and well-being while reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Additionally, custom windows can be designed to provide optimal ventilation. With options like casement, awning, or sliding windows, you can easily regulate airflow and keep your home feeling fresh and well ventilated. Proper ventilation is essential for maintaining indoor air quality and preventing issues like mold and excess humidity, which is particularly important in areas with high humidity like Sanford. Increased home value. Installing custom windows is a smart way to increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a property that has high-quality, energy-efficient windows. Custom windows not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also offer long-term benefits like lower energy costs, increased comfort, and reduced maintenance needs. These are all factors that make your home more appealing to future buyers. Moreover, custom windows are a great way to stand out in Sanford's competitive real estate market. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to invest in your property's future, custom windows can add significant resale value and attract prospective buyers who appreciate the craftsmanship and efficiency of custom-designed features. Durability and low maintenance. Custom windows are built to last, offering superior durability compared to standard off-the-shelf options. Materials like fiberglass and vinyl are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring that your windows maintain their integrity and appearance for many years. Furthermore, custom windows often come with low-maintenance features like built-in tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, making it easier to care for your windows and keep them looking great without a lot of effort. By choosing durable, weather-resistant materials and energy-efficient glazing, custom windows can withstand the harsh Florida sun and humid conditions, saving you time and money on repairs or replacements down the road. This long-term reliability makes them a worthwhile investment for any Sanford homeowner. Improved security. Security is always a top concern for homeowners, and custom windows can help address this. By selecting windows that feature enhanced locking mechanisms, shatter-resistant glass, and impact-resistant frames, you can significantly improve your home's security. In areas prone to storms, like Sanford, impact-resistant windows can also protect your home from windborne debris, providing an additional layer of protection during hurricanes or severe weather. Custom windows allow you to incorporate the latest security features, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is safer and more secure. Conclusion. Installing custom windows in your Sanford home offers a variety of benefits, from enhanced curb appeal and energy efficiency to increased property value and improved security. By working with a professional window installer, you can design windows that perfectly fit your home's needs and style, ensuring that your investment will pay off for years to come. Whether you're looking to improve the look of your home, reduce energy costs, or increase its overall value, custom windows are a fantastic choice that will transform your living space.